Solve a quadratic equation by factoring. I discussed the zero product property and how to use factoring to solve quadratic equations. Two examples are included. Please note this is not a video that teaches you how to factor. I love sharing positive feedback from parents and students that highlight my passion for math and helping others succeed with math. The zero product property and factoring. Whenever a product equals zero, then at least one of the factors equals zero, and it is possible that both of the factors equal zero. A quadratic equation equal to zero will have two solutions related to the factors equaling zero. Note that some quadratic equations cannot be factored. Therefore, an alternate method of solving the quadratic equation should be used, such as using the quadratic formula or graphing. Here is the first example. Solve by factoring. X squared plus 7x minus 8 equals 0. I'll pause the video in case you want to solve it on your own. For this equation, the result of factoring, you have the factors x minus 1 and x plus 8. Apply the zero product property, which requires you to make each factor equal to 0, and solve the equation. So x minus 1 equals 0. The solution to that is x equals 1. And the other factor, x plus 8, making that equal 0. The result of that is x is negative 8. The solutions to this equation are x equals 1 and x equals negative 8. For our second example, solved by factoring, we have negative 2x squared plus 50 equals 0. Note that b equals 0, therefore the preferred method for solving this equation may be to use square roots. First, factor out the greatest common factor. This is advised every time you solve by factoring, that you factor out the greatest common factor as your first step. After factoring out the greatest common factor, factor the resulting binomial, which is a difference of squares, into x minus 5 and x plus 5. There are three factors. The only two factors that you can apply the zero product property to are the x minus 5 and the x plus 5. The solutions to the equations x minus 5 equals 0 and x plus 5 equals 0 will be x equals 5 and x equals negative 5. Please contact me to connect with me. Let me know your thoughts about this video. Let me know what content you want me to upload to help you in the future with your algebra, whether it's Algebra 1 or Algebra 2. Have a great day.